So the man still order the review product.
You know the way things are now because of the roads, COVID-19 and all. So that's why.
Which one?
What to do? I'm still thinking about it, Sha. I'm working on it.
But your orders are coming too much this period. So you're supposed to do something about it.
What to do? Still trying.
It's okay, Sha. But by the way, are you not?
You understand now?
Yeah, that's true. What's the solution now for your stocks?
Anyway, I had a meeting with the woman and we actually spoke about it. But I think I'll think about it. The woman said next week.
So guess what? I had a call that I have a meeting I'll be attending by 1 o'clock. So they sent me the song. It's so crazy. It should be like my first video with Sembong. So I want I should be there. But
So that was it about me and the laundry guy.
yeah, but finally you forgive him now.
Yes, of course. Me, I don't hold grudges against anybody. But what matters, first impression matters. As a business person that he is, he actually spoils
So many things.
He spoiled so many things. He breached our contract, which I paid for. You understand? What I was expecting for him is for him to apologize. I'm a businesswoman. I deal with a lot of people on a daily basis. You understand?
Yeah.
I apologize when I know I'm wrong. You understand? Whenever a customer complains that I'm wrong, I apologize.
Yeah.
You understand? But if I know I'm not wrong, I can still make the person understand. No, I was not wrong. Maybe you are getting it wrong. You are getting everything twisted. Look at how it is. Look at how it goes.
Yeah.
You understand? But this case was different. I actually paid for you to wash my clothes and you didn't wash it right. You didn't iron it, and later, you know, he didn't iron the clothes. He brought them. All the clothes was rough and all. Then I complained. I was expecting him to like, Mom, I'm sorry. Oh, this not mine. This is not really me. Maybe something came up or something this that. You understand? Just give one excuse for the customer mind to be at rest. Then accept everything. Then you will wash it and make it nice.
Yeah.
For the customer. Instead, he started misbehaving and all. Misbehaving. He's not supposed to have even anybody contact with me. So
What got me upset
like
was
broke my phone.
Yeah, what got me upset was the fact that he was still trying to be right
Hey,
in the whole thing instead
okay.
of just being apologetic, like just apologize and say, oh, so please, oh, Mama, I'm sorry, oh, this, please, I'm your boy, forgive me. But just taking it to the another level was just uncalled for.
you understand?
Well, it's nice that you've let it go now.
I've let it go. So I actually, you know, when he dropped his phone, I was going to fix my phone. So I took the phone. So he dropped his phone that he's going to fix my phone. The guys that he dropped his phone that don't have money to fix my phone. He was calling a lot of people, nobody could help him. You understand? So he dropped his phone that he's going to fix mine with that same phone. So I was scared. I don't know if it's a stolen phone. I have to take the phone to the police station to give to the police for them to hold the phone to the next day. I don't want problem.
I mean, what is this? I'm going.
Anyway, we have settled the issue.
It's okay.
I forgive him. I called my lawyer, settled everything. So now,
I just feel people should embrace peace than looking for trouble and being proud.
I'm not a troublesome person, no.
For no reason.
I'm a peace and lovely person, you know.
Test to that. On the other side.
But may I not cause shame for some kind thing.
Where's the matter?
See where the matter got change.
So if the matter, yes, now if the matter change now, I don't come.
Say, Jojo, where are you?
Me, I'll say,
Jojo, where are you? Jojo, I said, where are you? This one you brought. Jojo say, me don't red.
Everywhere don't bugger.
My friends got the red like tea carpet, I got the best.
No, anything can pay. I don't expect that one.
Oh my Jesus. Oh my goodness, I'm a lovely person though.
Yeah.
Just that some people they will just provoke you to that extent you will lose it.
I know.
You understand?
I know. I feel you. I feel you. Did you see that grape had a lot of water?
I'm telling you.
So, for instance, you want to advertise grape now. How would you go about it?
Bye,
I'm done with Tony. I'm done. Bye bye. I'm going home.